When winter calls and the roads get slick, crews need salt, and lots of it. When you store salt, you don't do it halfway. You do it right. It's not just about where you store it, it's about how you protect it. SteelMaster buildings are made from commercial-grade steel coated with Galvalume Plus, stands up to harsh environments, and keeps salt dry. Fabric covers can break down, tear, and need replacing. Steel is built to stay put and keep working year after year. Each building is made from at least 22-gauge steel engineered for snow, wind, and seismic loads. Our buildings are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and have been tested for real-world impact. Every SteelMaster building comes with state-stamped blueprints, helping make the permitting process smoother. Because even the small details matter. We use NZF 3000 bolts, keeping everything locked together with a single-size nut and bolt. A SteelMaster building delivers a clear span arch design, providing fully usable space to stack high and allowing trucks and loaders to roll right in without issue. Our DIY kits make construction manageable, often going up in a weekend, not months of contract work. And with the option to expand or relocate, your building can grow as your needs change. And just like that, you have yourself a low-maintenance, dry storage building that keeps salt protected and ready when winter weather hits. Steel over fabric, steel over wood. Steel that holds up in snow, rain, and the long haul. Salt stored right, steel built tough. Choose bold, choose fearless, choose SteelMaster.